Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Point 5 Healthier holiday drink swaps for fewer calories and less sugar. The winter holiday season often features indulgent foods and drinks that can conflict with health goals. You can still enjoy holiday flavors by moderating portions and making simple swaps. 1. Replace eggnog with an egg-free nog made with ingredients like oat milk, Greek yogurt, or soaked cashews. 2. Swap mulled cider for a comforting apple peel tea with spices like ginger, cinnamon, and cardamom. 3. Trade a gingerbread latte for a ginger herbal tea, perhaps with a bit of milk. 4. Replace a peppermint mocha with a peppermint tea latte made with dairy alternatives like almond or soy milk. 5. Make your own spicy hot chocolate using dark chocolate or cacao powder, spices, and a small amount of coconut or almond milk. These small changes can help you enjoy holiday flavors while staying on track with your health goals. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.